On the 75th Independence Day celebration, India witnessed the Har Ghar Tiranga movement. In Kolar, a tricolour rally was organized by S. Muniswamy, Member of Parliament, Kolar. The national flag was measuring to a total of 1,29,150 square feet, 630 square feet length, 205 square feet height, and 3,600 square feet of Ashok Chakra. The tricolour flag was made in just 7 days with 7 tailors, 15 helpers, and 2 artists. Around 13,000 meters of material was used for the tricolour, which weighs up to an approximate of 3.2 ton, making it the biggest flag in our country.
ದುಬೈನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಬಸ್ಸಿದೆ ಆ ಬಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ನಾನು 75ನೇ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋದಿಯವರು ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ